হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু দ্য ইভিএস ক্লাস। আর অনেক দিন পর দেখা হচ্ছে তোমাদের সাথে, তাই তো? আর আশা করি সবাই খুব ভালো আছো, খুব আনন্দ করেছো পুজোতে। আর এছাড়াও সবাইকে জানাই আমার বিজয়ের প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা। আর তোমরা অনেক আমার আদর ও ভালোবাসা নিও, ঠিক আছে? সো টুডে উইদাউট ওয়েস্টিং মাচ টাইম, অনেক আনন্দ করেছি। অনেক কি করতে হবে? ইয়েস, পড়াশোনা, তাই তো? যেমন আমরা আগে করেছি ঠিক তেমনই আবার শুরু করে দিতে হবে সেই জোর কদমে পড়াশোনাটা, যেটা আমাদের একটুখানি পিছিয়ে গেছিল, তাই তো? এটা সবাই আমরা আনন্দ করেছি, আমি করেছি, তুমিও করেছো। ওকে, so without wasting much time, now we will begin our new lessons from today onwards. So today it will be a new chapter for you from your EVS book. So pause the video here and take out your books and the first chapter after mid-terminal examination, and this is the chapter which is included in your annual, that means final term. Okay, this is chapter number 11. So pause the video here, take out your books, take out page number 57 and get set go. Okay, fine. So this lesson, which you can see I have written on the board, it says staying safe. Now what is safe? Okay, what is safety? There is a question written on your book, you can see here, it's given here. Okay, so the first question is, what is safety? Do you feel safe at home and in school? How does one stay safe? So safety ki? Safety mane hocche সাবধানতা. So what is that? Let us go through a little bit into your book, what it is written. কি লেখা আছে সেটা আমরা একটু দেখি. Okay, and from now onwards what I will do, I mean line to line I will give you explanation so that it will be easier for you to read further. তোমরা যাতে ঠিকভাবে স্পেলিং এর উচ্চারণগুলো শুনতে পারো, you can read it by yourself without taking help of anybody, and also it will be benefit for you. Okay, so let us start the lesson. What we were talking about, what is safety? Safety means not getting hurt or being in danger. Okay, so safety means not getting hurt. Hurt mane dhoro when you are playing, okay, or when you are running, or when you are walking, ki hoy, or when you are working. তুমি ধরো কিছু একটা কাজ করছো, কি নিয়ে? Suppose you are just playing with your toys, or you are helping your mother or with any of her work. তখন কি হয় যে হঠাৎ করে হয়তো তোমার মা কিছু একটা কাটছে, you get yourself hurt with the knife বা ছুরি বা যে কোনো sharp thing that she is using, you may get hurt. So that is called hurt. You are hurting yourself. তুমি ব্যথা পেলে বা তুমি তোমার একটু কষ্ট পেলে তুমি ওটা দিয়ে, ঠিক আছে? Or being in danger. Danger means a person or thing that may bring harm or trouble. তার মানে এটা কোনো মানুষের দ্বারাও হতে পারে, কোনো বিপদ আসতে পারে, বা কোনো জিনিসের দ্বারাও কোনো বিপদ আসতে পারে. So danger is what we call বিপদ. Okay, that means আমি কোনো বিপদে পড়েছি, আমি এমন একটা কিছু কাজ করেছি যে আমি কোনো একটা বিপদের মধ্যে পড়ে গেলাম, এবার আমি কি করব? I don't know. So I have to take the help of my parents or my elders, right? Yes. Do you think everything around us is safe? তুমি কি জানো যে আমার আশেপাশে যে জিনিসগুলো আছে সেগুলো সেফ? Safe means, is it good or is it correct or it does not harm you? এটা তোমাকে কোনোভাবে কোনো দিকে বিপদে ফেলছে না. Is it safe to walk on the road alone? Is it safe to cross the road on your own? আমাদের কি একা একা রোডে হেঁটে যাওয়া উচিত বা একা রোড ক্রস করা উচিত? What do you think? I don't think it is good, right? So what you do at that point of time, you always take help of your parents. এটা তো ঠিকই, কারণ তোমরা এখন অনেক বাচ্চা. So once you take the help of your parents, you learn how to cross the road, you learn how to walk carefully on the road. So these are all safety that you should follow, some safety rules that you should follow while you are out of your house. Okay, Fine. There are many things around us that may not be safe and may cause harm. আমাদের আশেপাশে এরকম অনেক জিনিস আছে যেগুলো সেফ নয় and may cause harm, আমাদের ক্ষতি পৌঁছাতে পারে. We can live safely if we are careful. So if we follow these safety rules, some safety measures, we can be careful. Okay? We can live safely if we are careful. So আমরা যদি careful থাকি, আমরা যদি কিছু কিছু tips বা কিছু rules follow করি when we are out of our house or anywhere, whatever work we are doing, we will be safe. Okay? We need to be careful at home, in school, and even on the road. Okay? So how we can remain careful? We can be careful when we are at home, when we are at road, or even when we are in school. Let us see one by one. And everything is given in your book. So be very attentive whenever I am reading this, and you should also be following your book. তার মানে তোমরা এখন সবাই বুকের সামনে বসে আছো, and line by line I am reading and you are also following it. Okay? So let us continue. Safety at home. So now we are going to proceed with the first topic, that is safety at home. আমরা কিভাবে বাড়িতে নিজেকে সেফ রাখবো? We will be safe when we are staying at home. Okay? So what are those rules? We should not play with sharp things such as a knife, a pair of scissors, a razor, a blade. See, every pictures are given in your book. Okay? So what is this? This is a knife. That means churi. This is a pair of scissors. That means kaichi. A razor is used by the elder parents, especially your father. Okay? A blade. This one is be very careful. এটা কিন্তু দেখতেই টুকু কিন্তু ভীষণ ধারালো. একবার যদি তোমাদের হাতে লাগে তো what it will happen? You will start crying because blood will come out. Okay? So be very careful while you are using this at your home or whenever you are seeing this kind of things in front of you. Okay? Okay. So moving on to the next topic. The next line. We should put away our toys after playing with them. If we leave them lying around, someone may fall over them. So what we should do? So এটা তোমরা আগেও পড়েছো যে after playing with your toys, you should always keep your toys at their place so that anybody can fall upon on them. Okay? So কি করা উচিত? তোমরা সমস্ত কিছু toys গুছিয়ে রাখবে. Okay? We should throw fruit peels in the dustbin. So you remember we have read a lot of things about this using dustbin in your home, dustbin at your school. So you should always throw all those garbage in the dustbin. Anyone can slip over them and can get hurt. Okay? Okay, ওগুলোর মধ্যে পড়ে গিয়ে ধপাস করে পড়ে গিয়ে কি করতে পারে? ব্যথা পেতে পারে. Okay? We should not open the door for people whom we do not know. যাদেরকে আমরা চিনি না, জানি না, that means they are strangers for us. Okay? We should not open the door when we do not know them. যখন আমরা জানি না বা চিনি না তাদের. We should not play with electric wires and switches. So whenever you are going to turn on or off your lights, your fans, you should not touch that board, play with them. Because they have electricity in them, and if you touch with your hand, it may happen that you get shock. Okay? So don't you do that. We should not touch things like ovens, mixers, toasters, etc. with wet hands. So these are some gadgets, electronic gadgets which we often can see in our house. Many of these things are present in your home. You should not touch those things with your wet hands. Okay? Because if you do that, you may get an electric shock. Okay? So do not do that. We should not go too close to burning gas stoves or electric heaters. So, electric heaters are some kind of electronic device, electronic জিনিস যেগুলো কিনা are not only nowadays we use this, but we used to use these things which runs in electricity, and this is very dangerous. Okay? So don't you dare to do or go close to these things. Okay? We should not light matchsticks or go too close to a fire. তাহলে আমাদের কি করা উচিত নয়? Yes, the matchboxes, the matchsticks, we should not lit it by ourselves. নিজেদেরকে ইউজ করা উচিত না. Especially, you know, the Diwali is coming, and what we like to do, we burn crackers. তাই তো? অনেক ধরনের বাজি ফাটিয়ে থাকি, and to do that we need the fire. So do not use it by your own. নিজেদের থেকে এসব করবে না. take the help of your parents or under the supervision of your parents or elders. You should always do all these things. যতটা পারো এগুলো ইউজ করবে না, or do not go or do not touch that matchstick. It is very dangerous. Alright? Fine. তো যেগুলো আমি বললাম, যে সমস্ত টপিক, যে পয়েন্টস গুলো বললাম, এগুলো কিন্তু খুব ভালোভাবে পড়বে, আর শুধু পড়লেই হবে না, এগুলো কিন্তু শিখতেও হবে যা যা বলেছি। ওকে, so the next point that we are going to study is safety in school. That means how we can be safe in our school. Okay, these rules can keep us safe in school. So what are those rules? খুব ভালো করে জেনে নাও, যাতে যখন স্কুল খুলবে এই রুলস গুলো কিন্তু ফলো করতে হবে। Understood? Because sorry, if you do not follow them, you may hurt yourself or you may get in danger. Okay, what are those rules? We should not run down the stairs. সিঁড়ি দিয়ে উঠলাম, দৌড়ে নামলাম, এগুলো একদম করবে না, ঠিক আছে? That you often do, আর কি হয়, এদিক ওদিক করতে গিয়ে ধপাস করে পড়ে যাও। So you should always be careful when you use the stairs. We should not push each other. এটাও কিন্তু তোমরা করো। So be careful. Next time যখন স্কুলে যাবে, স্কুল খুলবে, and when you are using those stairs, please do not push each other. Make a line and go. Okay? We should stand in a queue when we are getting on or off to the school bus. যখন আমরা স্কুল বাস থেকে উঠছি বা নামছি, we should maintain a queue. What is queue? Queue means standing in a line. এই যে একজনের পর একজন যে আমরা দাঁড়াই, সেই জিনিসটাকে বলা হয় queue. Okay? So whether you are having your school bus or whenever you are taking a ride in any public bus, okay, same thing. Sorry. We should not stand in front of a moving swing. Swing মানে দোলনা। তো যখনই কেউ দুলছে, that using anybody is using that swing, you should not stand in front of that. তাহলে কি হবে, ও যেই এরকম করে দুলতে দুলতে আসবে, তুমি পেছনে পড়ে যাবে, তাই তো, and you will hurt yourself. So you should not stand in front of a swing. We should wait for our turn on the slides and swing. So slides and swings we often see in the playground of a school or in any park. So what we should do? We should wait for our turn. মানে একজনে চড়বে, নামবে, তারপর আমি চড়বো। Wait for your turn, let them finish their turn, then you go. Okay? This was all some rules that we have studied in safety in school. Now we are going to start off with the next topic, that is safety outside, which means when we are outside on the road, what are the few rules and regulations that you must follow. Okay? Look carefully in your book. We should never play or run on the road. কখনোই রাস্তায় বেরিয়ে গিয়ে we should never play or run on the road. We should always walk on the road with a grown up, never alone. Grown up means our elders, our fathers, our mothers, or our elder brothers or sisters, not alone. মানে একা নয়। We should not put our hand out of the window of a moving car or bus. চলন্ত গাড়ি থেকে বাইরে নিজের হাত বা any of our body part, we should not move it out, okay, which is very bad. You can hurt yourself. We should obey traffic rules and follow the traffic lights. So whatever traffic lights we can see on the road, we should always follow those rules and regulations. Okay, so moving into the next line, we should cross the road safely. যখনই রাস্তা cross the road safely, খুব সাবধানে। We should always try to cross the road with a grown up. এটা বললাম একটু আগে। Before crossing the road, we should look towards our right. যখনই road cross করবে, this line is very important, এটা শিখবে। Before crossing the road, we should look towards our right. যখনই আমি road cross করব, এপার থেকে ওপারে যাব, we are moving towards from here to there. What we should do? At first, look at your right. Okay? ডান দিকে দেখবে, then left, বাদিকে, and then right again. That means একবার right, left, right, then only you should, what you will do? We should walk across, মানে এপার থেকে ওপারে যাবে। If it is not clear, you should wait. এছাড়াও যদি if the road is not clear, you should wait for when the vehicles are not moving. Okay? We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. So what is a zebra crossing? A zebra crossing, see, the picture is given, you can often find it on the big roads. Okay, বড় বড় রাস্তায় এগুলো থাকে। So this is the place where So this is the place where you should walk or cross the road from here to there. Okay. So before moving on to this, we should know what are those traffic lights. Okay, the meaning of the lights. So what are those colors that the three colors says? The red color says stop, the yellow color says wait, and the green color says go. Okay, so you should know all these traffic lights, the meaning of the traffic lights, and you already know it. We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. When we go out, we should stay close to our parents and people that we know. যখনই আমরা বাইরে বেরোবো, we should stay close to our parents. মানে তাদের হাত ধরে থাকবো, তাই তো? একা একা যাবো না. If it is not, we should not go anywhere with strangers. So who are strangers? Strangers are those people whom we do not know or we haven't met before. So if we are lost, we should ask a police officer or the traffic police to help us. এরপরেও যদি আমি হারিয়ে যাই, to whom we should contact? We should go and take help of the traffic police. Traffic police are those people who are usually on the road in front of those traffic signals, or you may find it in the busy roads. Okay, their work is to help people or to maintain the safety rules which we often see in the road. Okay, and the last topic that we are going to study is good and bad touch. So till this much you have read all the safety rules in your home, in outside, and also at your school. So this is the last topic, that is the good and bad touch. So what is a good touch, what is a bad touch, we will now learn. We feel good when our parents pat us on the back. So whenever your parents or your elders or your relatives pat you on your back, it is a good touch. It is nice to shake hands with our friends. So it is a good habit, or it is nice to shake your hands with your friends. These are examples of good touch. So 8 touch guloke bola hoy good touch. That means you like it, right? However, sometimes we do not feel good when someone touches us in a certain way. এরপরে আমরা অনেক সময় কিন্তু আমাদেরকে ভালো লাগে না, আমাদের ভালো মানে মনে হয় না when someone touches me in a wrong way, okay, or I'm not liking that the way he or she touches. This is called a bad touch. Okay, so there is a difference between good touch and bad touch. Good touch is that touch that you like, and bad touch is that touch which you do not like. Okay, if this happens to you, you should tell a parent or an elder. They will keep you safe. তো কখনো যদি এরকম মনে হয় তোমাকে যদি কোনো স্ট্রেঞ্জার বা কেউ যদি তোমাকে এরকম কোনো ভাবে টাচ করছে which you do not like, প্রথমত তোমার বাবা বা মাকে জানাবে বা তোমার বড়জনদেরকে জানাবে. Okay, they will always help you out with those problems. All right, so there is another thing we have missed it, that is, look at in your book, this is a yellow color, this is an information you should know about it. What is that? A zebra crossing got its name because it looks like the black and white stripes on a zebra's body. So zebra crossing je road e amra dekhe thaki, do you know how this name has come from? This word has actually arrived from the word zebra, which means the zebra animal has got the similar stripes like the black and white in its body. So from there only we have got that name. Okay, that is zebra crossing, which we often see in the road. So here is the end of the lesson that we have all got to learn today. তোমরা কি করবে, এই যে আমি একভাবে পড়িয়ে দিয়ে গেলাম, তোমরা এটা ধীরে ধীরে আস্তে আস্তে পড়বে. Get to know each and every word meaning. যদি কোথাও বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয়, please give me a call or you can ping me in the WhatsApp in my personal number. Okay, so let us go through this page number 60. This is the value and life skills that we have gone through in this lesson. What is that? We can stay safe if we follow safety rules at home, in school and outside. তাহলে আমরা খুব সাবধানে যদি আমরা থেকে থাকি বাড়ির ভেতরে, বাইরে বা স্কুলে, তাহলে we will be leading a good life, তাই তো? What are some of the safety rules you follow at home? We have gone through it. You can find it out yourself. So there are some points to remember that you should go through. সেগুলো কি? There are many ways in which we can get hurt. তাই তো? আমরা অনেক ভাবেই কিন্তু নিজেদেরকে আঘাত পৌঁছাতে পারি. So what are all those points? You have gone through this chapter. You know it. Go through this lesson. You will come to know. We can be safe only if we are careful. আমরা তখনই সেফ থাকবো যখন আমরা খুব সাবধানে থাকবো. We need to be careful at home, outside and in our school. tell parents or an elder if someone's touch makes us feel bad. So this one is also very important thing. যখনই আমাদের মনে হয় যে কেউ আমাদেরকে টাচ করছে, we are not feeling good at all, as soon as possible let your parents know that. Okay, তোমাদের বাবা মাকে জানাবে that I do not like how that person is touching me. Okay, so there are some words to learn. This one is also important. You should also go through this because many a times some short or small questions come from this. Okay, like fill in the blanks, true, false, or one word answer. So check it out. What are these? Danger. So what do you mean by danger? A person or thing that may bring harm or trouble. The person or a thing which can harm you or bring trouble, মানে সমস্যায় ফেলতে পারে তোমাকে, that is called a danger. Safe, that means not in danger. You are safe, that means you are there is no danger which can harm you. Queue, a line of people, মানে number of people where they are standing. Zebra crossing, a black and white path across a road that is safe to use while cross the road. তাহলে সেই black and white that is similar, which looks like similar to that is zebra, that road which is safe where we can walk around to cross a road from here to there, okay, or from this side to that side. So this was all in this chapter. এই চ্যাপ্টারটা কি করবে, তোমাদের খুব ভালো করে পড়তে হবে, and if you face any problem তোমরা জানো তোমাদের কি করতে হবে. Yes, ping me or give me a call. Okay, and after that in our next class or from the next day onwards we will be having we will be practicing this question answers, short questions, or however you are doing so far. Okay, so here we are going to end our video. What your work is to do is that you are going to study this chapter. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.